We've had this kids explorer and bug catching kit for a while now, and my son absolutely loves it. He wears the whole outfit all the time, and he really enjoys exploring the backyard and when we go out on hikes. The kit comes with everything a little adventurer could need: a hat and a breathable explorer vest with pockets, binoculars, a butterfly net, a bug container, magnifying glass, tweezers, tongs, a 2-in-1 whistle and compass, and even 6 realistic insects and a spider for practice. There's also a drawstring backpack to carry everything in. Each piece is thoughtfully designed, from the durable fabric to the adjustable straps, making it safe and comfortable for kids to play with. One of the best parts is seeing my son in action. He goes bug hunting in the backyard, checking under rocks, observing flowers and insects with the magnifying glass, and trying to catch them with the net. He even uses the binoculars to spot birds, squirrels, and leaves from afar. It's so fun to watch him be curious, engaged in learning, while also having a great time. We've also taken this on hikes and outdoor adventures. The kit encourages imagination, observation, and hands-on learning, so it's perfect for STEM, nature studies, homeschool, or just hours of independent play. This is definitely more than just a toy. It's an educational experience that keeps him active, thinking, and exploring. Since we've had it, he's built confidence, learned about bugs and nature, and had so much fun along the way.
Anybody here? If anybody here, come!
If you're looking for a gift for a curious, adventurous child, this kit is a perfect choice. We've loved having it, and it's quickly become one of his favorite things to do.